Hi there guys, today I'm showing you how you can create this easy modern succulent home decor made with all items from Dollar Tree. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made this, just keep watching. So here's everything you'll be needing. I purchased these succulents from the Dollar Tree. These are fake succulents, so you do not have to water them, which is really nice. And they look very realistic. I've had a lot of compliments when I've made things with these in the past. Also, you will be needing some kind of rocks or pebbles. I have these kind of lime green colored pebbles from Dollar Tree. I kind of thought they had a nice little pop of color, so I'm going to be using those, but you can use any color you would like. You can also use sand. And then for my little vases, I'm going to be using these from Dollar Tree. They're a really cute, modern kind of square shape, but again, if you prefer a different shape, feel free to use whatever you like. So I'm going to start off by taking all of these little plastic labels off of the succulents. You cannot just tear them off, so you're going to need some scissors and just kind of cut it and they come right off. So I'm just going to go ahead and take all of the labels off of all of my succulents. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my container, and what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring how tall these little picks are on these succulents. And as you can see, I am cutting this one off with a scissor, and I actually changed my mind about that. You guys will see me later. I ended up using wire cutters because these do have a wire in them and they're very hard to cut with scissors. So definitely use wire cutters. And I'm just kind of arranging, seeing which succulents I want together, grouped together. I chose to do just 2 in each container because, as you can see, when I did 3, it just kind of looked crowded, so I changed my mind about that. But yeah, I'm just kind of cutting down that little pick. Once you stick it in there, you can just kind of see how tall you need the little plant to be so that it looks pretty good once you get your sand in there. So I'm just going to go through and cut all the picks to fit in there and just group which ones I want together. So now that I have those grouped in there how I like, I'm going to go ahead and open up my pebbles. And after you get that open, just go ahead and take out your succulents, pour the pebbles in. And for these bags, I ended up using the entire bag for each little container because when I poured in just some, it was not enough. So as you can see, I'm missing some pebbles in there. So I'm going to go ahead and add more in there, and then just kind of stick your little pick down in there and just arrange them however you like in your containers. And really, that is pretty much about it. It's super simple. And yeah, just get them in there really good. Add as many pebbles as you need to make sure you cover up that stem so that they look natural and cute. And yeah, looks pretty good. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that with the rest of my succulents. So that is it. That's all there is to this. It's super easy. And here are my little finished succulents. They look really cute. I love the way they look, and they look really modern. And I hope you guys will try this out as well. I think you'll really enjoy this in your home. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you guys later.